Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Create your Carbon Black console account, assign an admin role, and confirm endpoint system requirements. Next, download the appropriate sensor package and deploy to 1 to 5 test hosts to validate compatibility. Once done, make sure sensors communicate with the console over required ports and that certificates are accepted. This prevents later enrollment failures. This hands-on start gets telemetry flowing and lets you iterate quickly on the next configuration steps. Once sensors report in, you tune policies and detections to reduce noise while preserving coverage. Begin by creating baseline policies for prevention, detection, and audit. Apply them to a test group. Then adjust rule thresholds and whitelist validated executables and known safe paths to avoid false positives. Enable endpoint detection telemetry and configure threat hunting queries. Integrate output with your SIEM for correlation. Make sure to document each change so you can roll back if a rule impacts business-critical apps. This helps balance security with availability. You finish by validating alerts and establishing response playbooks. Triage incidents, isolate affected hosts, and apply remediation actions through the console such as process kill, file quarantine, or rollback. Schedule automated reports and plan policy reviews every 30 to 90 days to adapt to new threats. If something goes wrong, like sensors not reporting, restart the sensor service, inspect local logs, and verify network connectivity and certificate trust. If needed, re-enroll the sensor to resolve stale connections. That's
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.